I'm TJ, and today I'm gonna make Oobleck. Yay! I like playing with Oobleck. This is like my old Oobleck, but we didn't make a video because I have no idea why. But this feels gooey, and let's make some new ones. It's so gooey. Okay, first we take some water. And then you take some water, you pour a little bit into the bowl. Yay! I love pouring water into the bowl. It's like gonna be... And then we take some cornstarch. So we open up our cornstarch and pour some into this bowl. Then we start mixing. Oh, and if it doesn't work, just add more flour. Add more, cornstarch, not flour. Yay! And then you keep on mixing. It's still not working. I need a lot more. And I keep on getting a lot of messy. It's starting to get really, really messy.
Get me flour.
And then you start mixing and mixing. And soon it'll start to be Oobleck, sort of. I think I need a little bit more water. No, I don't think so. Just need to mix it a little bit better. There we go. I'm mixing up my Oobleck. If it's too hard, just wait and it'll get a little bit more liquid or hard. Yay, I have some Oobleck! I'm going to put it onto the table so you can see it. Look at all that Oobleck! It's so Ooblecky. I don't know if it's a solid or a liquid. It feels hard. And it's like gooey. My little ponies, you want to jump inside? Yeah! They're gonna get all messy with Oobleck. It's fun. Yay! Having so much fun in Oobleck. Oobleck. I love the Oobleck. I love the Oobleck. I don't know if it's a solid or a liquid. Just pour it onto the My Little Ponies. Ah. I'm gonna make more Oobleck.
Oh, that's mine.
Yeah, you gotta mix it up. Mix it up. We're making even more Oobleck.
Yeah.
And My Little Pony's gonna swim in it too.
Whee!
It's time for Oobleck party. I love Oobleck. It's gonna be a total mess. This is sort of gooey. I think it's sort of Oobleck, or maybe I just need more cornstarch. So maybe I'll just put a little cornstarch inside. Ow! Maybe it'll thicken up into Oobleck. Oh! Oh no.